Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ClickUp and Jira integrations data safely step by step clearly. To start backing up your ClickUp and Jira integrations data safely, ensure you have the necessary permissions and access to both accounts. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your integration is located. Click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select integrations from the menu options. Find the Jira integration from the list of available integrations. Click on the settings icon next to the Jira integration. Make note of the existing configurations and options selected for the integration. Next, open your Jira account in a new tab. Log into your Jira dashboard. Access the project settings that are linked with your ClickUp integration. Export the project data by selecting the appropriate export options. Choose the file format that suits your needs, such as CSV or Excel. Save the exported file to a secure location on your device. Return to ClickUp and navigate to the relevant tasks or lists associated with the Jira integration. Manually copy the data or take screenshots for reference, if necessary. Consider using ClickUp's export feature to create a backup of your tasks. To do this, go to the list view and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Export and choose your preferred format. Download and save the exported data securely. Next, create a separate folder on your device for storing your backups. Organize the ClickUp and Jira data in this folder for easy access. Consider using cloud storage solutions for an additional layer of security. Upload your backed up files to a cloud storage service of your choice. Ensure you regularly repeat this backup process to keep your data up to date. Set a reminder to check for any updates or changes in your integrations. By following these steps, you will have safely backed up your ClickUp and Jira integrations data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.